Awatani korwa ase kiombe kia touch for life ni goba ikana ase yegi Adventista
Okay, my name is Betan Tabo. I'm an advocate nande igaiganinka Insaria. Today tumepata privilege yogo shirikiana na baminto so that tokore ogo chika nyasaya toete. Number one, I want to make this statement that global warming is one of the dangerous issue that we are facing in our nation, our continent, and the whole globe at large due to our destructive human activities upon our environment. And as a result, we are experiencing so many effects, drought being one of it. And there are so many issues that we want to undertake to ensure that we have combated this menace. Environmental stewardship is one of the things that we do in our program, that is Touch of Life community-based organization based in Bonchari constituency, yenye natufanya tuone kama duruisha ili janga la drought katika nchi yetu. And environmental stewardship ensures that we have promoted environmental sustainability and community beauty through activities like tree planting kama yenye tumefanya leo, recycling initiatives, cleaning activities, and educational workshop. My brothers and sisters out there, contemplate about being respectful to our environment, which is axiomatically our heritage, and having determinations and commitment to sustain it for the future generation. That is great news to all of us. And propagating the habitual commitment of nurturing and protecting the well-being of individuals,